Hello everyone, I am Asim Nawaz and welcome to this 10th C Rules series. And I am making this for projectscode.com. In this today's tutorial, I will show you some mathematical operators and the operators that are used in performing these operations. So, for understanding basic working of mathematical operations, I will be making a simple Visual Studio C program to demonstrate how the mathematical operators and mathematical operations are performed in C Sharp. We will be making a new project, Visual C Windows project operators. So basically, what mathematical operators are, we have a mathematical addition, we have subtraction, we have division, we have multiplication, and many others mathematical operations. But we are first to demonstrate the mathematical operator. I will be placing a button. Button, here it is. Here is the button, and the other thing it will be to the click event. Yes, click event. So what I will be basically doing here is that whenever this button is clicked, it will perform a mathematical operation or any mathematical operation that I will be coding in the click event between two operators or two operands or two numbers. Let's just go to click event. So the first thing I will be doing here is to declare some variables. So I will declaring integer variables. Integer a is equals to 5 comma, and integer b is equals to 4. So a and b are two basically numbers that on which we are going to perform operations. So the first operation that I will be going to apply is mathematical addition, and I will be summing up these two numbers, so and displaying the product in the message box dot show a plus b simple, sorry, I have written as equals to a plus b colon. But the problem here is that a b both are string, and their sum will also be a and b both are integers, and their sum will also be an integer. Since message box dot show has a string parameter, so we have to change this integer or type parts this integer into string. For that I will just add two string to its, and the let's execute and check it that it will work or not. It's giving an error. So what's the error? Cannot convert into string. So how is, so here is one problem that it is giving an error. Oh, sorry, I have just made a mistake. So what actually happens there is, since messagebox.show has a pair of parentheses in which we have to put our string input. So since we are getting a plus b, and then we will convert it into string, not outside the, here it is automatically converted to string inside the show parenthesis. Now we will execute this, and what should happen that the sum 5 plus 4 9 should be displayed in the message box, and it is displayed, message box displayed 9. Similarly, you can try another operation like subtraction. Just change that plus sign to minus sign, and it will give you the subtraction. Here it is. For multiplication, just change that symbol to multiply, and it's 5 4s are 20. And for division, you can also use the division symbol, and it is giving you 1. Since integers do not allow decimal point, so that remaining part of the answer is skipped off. So what we have tried so far, that we have used addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So I hope that you will be understanding them. So the next thing I am going to tell you are the mathematical operators like increment operators, or decrements, or simple that. So what if you want to add 1 into a? So the simple way will be a plus 1, and 1 will be added to a. Yes, it's added. 5 plus 1 6. There is another way to do the same thing. Just type a plus plus. What it will do is that it will increment or make an increment of 1. It's not making an increment of 1. So what's the problem here is that first it's displaying the value of a, which is 5, and then it is making an increment of 1, and we are not going to see that. So to make the increment first and then display it, just add a after the symbol. So now it will make the increment first and then display the answer. So these are two things, and another thing that I will show, that how to make increment of more than 1. If you want to add 5 into a, so just add a is equals to plus 5. So what should be displayed? Now let's see if it works or not. It's not working. The same problem we have done here is that it is displaying first a, then making the mathematical operation. So to do this, we will just add the plus symbol earlier. Yes, it's making it the addition first and then doing is in second way. So to make increment, we have checked three methods up till now. First is just adding increment, and second is a is equals to plus 1, whatever you want to increment, and third is simply add two numbers. So these are three methods. And to make decrements, just use the sign of minus instead of plus. I hope that you all have understood the basic mathematical operations and the increment and decrement operators as well. So if you have any problem, just comment in this video, and or go to the link in the description, so where you will have a complete programming tutorial. Or keep watching, stay subscribing, for I have a complete series of programming tutorials. So subscribe to my channel, so keep watching these tutorials and keep learning. Have a good day. Bye.